Hey everyone, if you're running into a conditional logic error in Jotform, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you several simple ways to troubleshoot and fix the issue so your form works properly again. First, open your form and go to the settings area, then select conditions. This is where all of your conditional logic rules are stored. Next, carefully review each condition you've created. Yeah, even a small mistake, like selecting the wrong field or answer choice, can cause errors. If you've recently removed or renamed form fields, some conditions may no longer work correctly. I mean, broken references are one of the most common causes of conditional logic problems. Another thing to check is whether multiple conditions are conflicting with each other. You know, two different rules affecting the same field can sometimes produce unexpected behavior. If a specific condition keeps causing issues, try deleting it and creating it again. So, rebuilding the rule often fixes hidden configuration errors. After making changes, preview the form and test every option to make sure the logic behaves the way you expect. If the problem still isn't resolved, you may want to contact Jotform support or check their help center for additional guidance. And that's all there is to it. One of these methods should help you fix Jotform conditional logic errors and get your form working smoothly again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.